Damn. Mm-hmm. Wait. To show this, what? What do I have to do? Why? Oh, come on! That's so cheap. What do I have to do to show editor things? Uh, Wait, I'm already there. What the fuck? Okay, never mind then. Yes, this works perfect. Am I doing too many checks here? I wonder. Didn't I add? I guess I didn't. Hmm. Maybe he gets these things from the cluster. Where's the actual guide? What the hell? I would like to have an explanation how to create a nav mesh instead. Oh man, okay, this is nav mesh content example. I don't need content example, I need nav mesh itself. Also maybe this. Please, please just give me the. Oh my god, why is this? Why? Oh. It could all be so simple. Okay, never mind. We go back. Modifying is not what I'm looking for, I think. Maybe I am. How do I create a nav mesh? I don't want this navigation system. There we go. So I was just searching for the wrong name. Why would they not name it Navmesh though? Whatever. Interesting. Huh? That's too much. Still too much. Let's say 10. Looks good. Okay, that's not how it goes. Select the third person character blueprint in the outline window. Remove it. Press P key. What? I don't need to generate it? It's already there? Oh my god! It does it automatically. So it's like real time in editor time, I would assume. So if I do 20 here, it does it. It updates by change. That's cool. Okay. Nice. So can I tell this dude to just only huh? Hmm. Where do I set it so that it can only, or not can, that it perceives or considers only one type of collision? That is my type of collision. On this snuff. No. Supports agents all. Huh. Path tracing. Collision. I don't think this is the correct thing. Collision presets, no collision. Use code update overlaps. Advanced. Collision presets, no collision. Yeah, this is not it. This is just the inherited thing. Brush settings. Uh-huh. Cooking in editor only. Ah, okay, here I can say that probably it only updates in editor. Application, let load on client. Networking, actor. Alright, let's see. Unreal, navigation, Consider only collision or something? Can I have an object affect AI navigation only? No. Doesn't seem to support custom collision object channels. Yes, this is what I want. Just to check, have you enabled navmesh reboot at runtime? What? Ugh. How can I tell this guy that this floor is not walkable? Or is this... do I fundamentally think wrongly here? Unreal navigation wait, am I writing this wrong again? Collision preset. No. No, no. Collision for static mesh. Okay, maybe it's not the correct word here. Collision preset, block all type. It's not what I want. Where was it again? Where did I... It was the world... Ah, it was the player, yes. Here I had something like that. Which is... Here, this thing. Object type, what is this? What kind of enum is this? Object type, but... Okay, then I remember. It was here on collision. Collision preset, collision object type, collision type maybe? No, this is like real collision or no collision object type. Yeah, maybe object type. Maybe I have to press collision object type. How about that? No, 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 no. No. I custom maybe? Custom navigation areas and queue filters. Ah, what if I say that every other object just doesn't have a collision? Because we don't care about collision anyway, so my floor that I make with the ray cast thing can have collision anyway. Doesn't matter if I use it or not, but I can use that collision for the nav mesh itself. So that's fine. Okay. So this guy will only track it if this here is set. If I say no collision, this will go. Yes. Exactly. And now I can go to test. Set a floor at the ground. Then make it so that this is like, I don't know, 20, 20. is fine, and then now we go to the collision types. Preset, say this guy actually is not only... Wait. Yes, it is actually set correctly. We don't want to... What do I have to do for this? Block all is... It blocks all. Okay. Block, overlap, whatever, okay. This is fine. I guess we try this or not. It doesn't make sense for me. What type of thing is the scanner of the navigation? Let's see. If I do this, go to that. No. Okay. What if I turn everything on? Somewhere there must be the one, right? Come on, please. Oh my god. This guy. Let's say everything is blocking, except... What happens now? Let's resize, I don't know. 10, no. Nothing changes. And if I say this guy is... Block all, where is block all? This guy? Ah, okay. Block all, no. No collision. So maybe it doesn't matter in that way. Let's see. Collision. This. Ignore all again. Okay. And this guy actually has collision. Block all. No, not you. Not you, I mean, of course, this guy. Oh, where's his collision? Use config default. Always update. No. Where? Huh? Huh? Static mesh. Collision. Why does this not have that? Generate overlapping events. Ah, okay. Whatever. I have to be AFK for a second. Alright, I am back. Ah, maybe I go here. But why? All this thing is the same as this. What's the difference? This again makes no sense. Ah. Wait. Interesting. Now it's fine. If I now go to... Ah. Okay. Okay, I understand. So if I go here, it should break again, yes? Or no? If it does not break, I am happy. Yeah. Block all and mine. Yes, perfect. Exactly as I wanted. Then this guy can just block anything. Now I just need to find which one breaks it. No collision. This one, okay. That was not it. Hey. Hold on. This didn't save. Oh, don't tell me I'm doing the wrong one. No, it's fine. Okay. Let's keep going. Ignore this guy. Accept. No collision. Floor collision. Ignore all. Accept. No collision. My collision. Okay. What dynamic? Pawn. Accept. No collision. Floor collision. Ah. So one of those. Pawn maybe? Accept. No collision. Floor collision. Ah, it's pawn. Ignore all. Accept pawn. That one. gets blocked. No collision, floor collision. Ha! Perfect! Perfect! Now, how can I configure the actual thing so it goes all the way up? Guess it's under navigation. Find path to actors synchronously. Find path to location. Sample move actor. Path. Oh, okay. Let's see. I need position marker. Let's add a little cube. Boop. From here. $800 00. Okay. 2. I don't know, like here. Minus 700, minus 700. Okay. So I would assume if I put this in between, it will give me some navigation path. Okay. Navigation path points. Nth print. This guy should not be 0. Boop. Boop. Now let's see what happens. 4. That's so good. Now I assume now it's 2. Yes! Fucking works! Figured it out. Okay. So now actually I have everything I need. No, I don't, because I still need to either be able to make a raycast and see if I'm hitting a nav mesh, or oh damn, this nav mesh thing will be How can I invert this? Can I actually turn the knob mesh like 90 degrees? Ah, shit. Of course it would not understand. It will always put it on top. What does that mean? Yes, this is just for debugging things. No, I don't understand actually. Hmm. Oh, what is this? Ah, okay. So I can make areas where I can put some cost on it. Okay, whatever. Hmm. It's the same thing. Okay. Huh? How do I set the step? Okay. Ah, this guy. What's this? Uh-huh. It's just display. Oh, what was that? Ah, okay. What is this? Okay, doesn't matter. The most important thing is this. The rest we can, like, I don't know, do this or this. And it is close enough to the edge. Now drawing this a little down. 0. -10. -20? Oh, there you go. Now I have it on the bottom. Can you actually draw on the side? Not that I need it, but Unreal enough mesh side. Navigation side. Vertical. Must switch it. Okay, I don't care. We know everything we need. Okay, so we have the nav mesh down. Which we will use to have the monster or Orbling or whatever we call it be able to chase after the player, because they will walk on a set path, but they will have a detection radius, and if the player is in a detection radius, it will react to it, and some Orblings will chase after you. And since you can walk around edges and obstacles, the Orbling actually needs to understand how to traverse the paths. And maybe scan for a new path to you in 1 or 2 seconds intervals. So it is not computation heavy. Something like that. But now we need to have the Orbling cluster have a array of waypoints, and we have to tell an Orbling to follow that. First thing, let's go to the Orpling itself. And let's look what happens if it's materialized. Okay. So I mean, it will materialize somewhere, but where? Is it just on one of the waypoints? Is it on the path of the waypoints? Does it matter? Should it spawn randomly? No. If it's random, it will always seek a path to the waypoint anyway. So let's not do that. Let's not do that. Hmm. Okay. Am I missing something? Damn. So, okay. Maybe let's draw it. So we have a cluster which knows the waypoints, which is like something like this. These are waypoints. They are in order and they are saved as an array here in the cluster. 0 being the start of the waypoints and length -1 is the end of the path. So this guy will tell the Orpling to land one of its waypoints. Let's say here. Bam. And then tell him traverse forward or traverse backwards. In linear one. Okay, we have to handle linear path differently than the circular one. Because in circular, maybe sometimes I don't want to go backwards. Or maybe sometimes I want it to go backwards, which would be a stupid thing to do because I should actually be working clean and set the paths in the correct way, but it doesn't matter. Okay, it lands here. It gets initialized with, hey, your waypoint is the second one and you will go forward. Okay, this guy then knows, hey, I have the index. Aha. I need index. I have the index of the waypoint, which is 1, because 0 is the beginning, 1. So I need to go to 2. So I ask the cluster, what is my target? At index +1 or -1. And it needs to, or maybe not this, it should get next. And the cluster knows. Because sometimes you will reach the end. This guy should not ask for the +1 index. It should ask them, hey, I'm at that one, please give me the next one. Which should be -1 and not +1, because in +1 we have nothing. Alright. So this guy has give next waypoint. This guy also should have a timer where it says the Orbling, hey, your time is up, you have to fly again. Oh hey Shank! Welcome, welcome. My day was fine. Didn't took the whole day, so I am fine. Right now I'm mentally concepting the way the Orblings should traverse a path. So I know what things I need to implement. Before you came, I also experimented with some nav meshing, which works perfectly. So I can cast a nav mesh on the island, on certain places, and then my little Orblings will know, hey, I can walk here and I cannot walk here. Yes, because I think visualizing is very important in programming. If I had a whiteboard, I would use that, but Paint is also good enough for this. Alright, we don't need this anymore. Where should we begin? The cluster. Cluster and Orpling. This... we don't care about that right now. We need to actually... How do I initialize this? Oh damn. Maybe this is not the way to go. Interesting. How do I initialize the Orpling if it is already materialized? Oh hey Neko! They are actually still happily Neko, they are dead! Dead! They are dead, Neko! I forgot to feed them. I shall revive them. Give me a second. And... boop! Oh. Oh damn. Oh damn. Of course. The Orblings turned into cubelings. Give me the Orblings real quick. This guy needs to be visible. No. Ta-da! They're back. Good as new. I'm not a monster. I'm a monkey. Look, nothing happened. They're fine. They're happily traveling around, switching areas. And soon they will also land. Yeah. Like watching an aquarium. Where is this guy going? A very bold Orbling there. Doesn't like boundaries. The cage cannot contain me! Alright, go away. I have to work. Um, let's see. So, I will initialize things, but if the Orbling is not flying, why would I need to initialize this part? This is stupid. I don't like it. Maybe I should make two functions, which says initialize as flying or initialize as... Oh my god, I am big brain. Neko, I am big brain. As materialized. Speaking of which, how was your day? I know it's a weird segue, but it makes sense in my head. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Which is funny because tomorrow my birthday will come up. Yeah, the sun is evil. I was outside as well. I see. Well, you know that you're doing something wrong. Why don't you change it and drink water? Or you mean at the birthday? Okay, I see. Oh, don't tell me you had like a heat stroke. That's a no-no. You did what? Neko, what the hell? Can you be safe for like, I don't know, 2 hours? Holy shit, man. Well, great. Now we have sunburns and especially exhausted, I guess. We don't need this. Go away. And where is the sunburn? Shoulders? Arms? Head? Forehead? Nose? Ears? Ah, of course, neck. Did I say neck? I didn't. Okay, we don't care about this. This is for flying. Ah, this is interesting. Okay. Not sure about that, my friend. Do you have like cold packs? Ice? Towels with cold water? Should help. It won't help healing, but it will help you feel better. I see, but that's not a good thing, Neko. You know, there is like dangers of the sun. You should not take it lightly. Get some sun blockers. Not only that, your skin will look old, older than other people. Okay, then from now on, let's not forget it. You got this. Oh wait, I need this. Cluster we need. Flight area is for this. Initialized. Stays. Flight active goes here. Idle flight goes here. Flight reach constant comes here. Alright, perfect. I see. Up. We don't care about this. We don't care about this. Orpling cluster. We care about this. Do I set them up manually? Or do I tag them and then... Give me that. Phew, okay. Did it disappear? Default application. Yes, it disappears. It cannot handle vectors. Can it handle floats? No, it cannot. Am I stupid? No, it just disappears. Okay. I mean, I could. Get actor position, please. Thank you. Ah, it was location. I forgot. Boop. Waypoint. And then add 2 waypoints. I guess deleting waypoints will be difficult like this, but for now it's fine. So, if I go now, oh wait, I don't, wait, no, maybe it's fine. If I go now here and say we go here, and I press add waypoint, bam. Add waypoint. Add waypoint. Perfect. Now the thing is, of course, this guy's waypoint needs to be visible from outside. Add waypoint. Add waypoint. And then we have the waypoints in here. It's magic. Magic, magic. Yeah, I don't care. Yes, yes. And this has no... Okay. So we can make waypoints now and they are linked together. So maybe I also need a construction script for this guy to show me the thing. But how do I do this? Array, debug. How do I make a debug line? Give me that. Unreal. Show debug line. Draw debug line. How about that? Draw line. Perfect. XY. What the fuck? No, not on. Draw painting. Draw debug box arrow. Where's line? Here's line. The color shall be green, which is 0, 1, 0. Okay. Duration. I hope it stays forever if I don't do anything. And then let's say at 20. 20. Thickness is 1. Boop. Uh-huh. 5 seconds, how about that? Can't I make the line stay forever? Oh, no, I can't because it'd be bad. Größer gleich 1, yes. Alright, so if it's greater than Not 1, 2. Then do the line thing, which is get the first one, save its location into this one, and then we go in for each and say IO the start we saved. Hold on. For loop, not for each. For loop. It starts with this, ends with this. -1. Alright. Go away. And then we actually get this guy. And then the location of this guy, set it here. And we say we loop in, and this will be our next one. Get boop, de-boop, de-boop. Alright, now our little thing will draw us the positions of our waypoints if we have at least 2. Let's see. I add one waypoint here, and I add one here, and then it should draw a line. It does not. Ah, it does. Perfect. For 5 seconds. If I add one here, boop. Boop. Perfect. Isn't that great? So now I can visualize. Also, I could tell this guy how long it can visualize. And if it visualizes. If this is true, then do your shit, and if not, don't do it. And also, like this. No, it should not show. I guess the time should be default on 1. And and visualize. Perfect. Now we have this. Now we have to tell this guy it is circular. Draw, debug, arrow is maybe very important here. Instead, arrow size is 1, 1. Line color is green. This guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. Now let's see how this looks. Say 5 seconds. Oh, forgot. Duration needs to be this. Do we see the arrow? Oh, it's very little. What if it's say 10? 5? I don't know, man. I don't see this. 1. Ten. 1. 10. 20. Oh, now we're talking. 50. Let's say 100. How about that? Boom. Now we see the direction. $200. No, I said 200. Yeah, this is good. I like this. Now, we have to decide what happens if this thing is not linear. Let's clean up a little so I can actually manage this code. Alright. So if we have at least 2, we start. And then on completion, we need this. If it's linear, we don't care. But if it's not linear, we want this guy at the start location, duration. But this thing is actually 0. There we go. Now are paths usually linear? Yes. So we should do this as this. Alright, and the visualization part is done for our development. So it's easier. Let's keep going here. All right. Alright. So we can now do waypoints. And they show a direction, they have a direction because they have an order. I would assume we don't have to touch this for now anymore. Unless we still need this, of course. Give next waypoint. Let's do that. Which is, you have to know on which index you are. Current waypoint index. And this guy will tell you, yeah, okay, the next one is this one. And we have to check multiple things. First, is it linear? If it is linear, then check the length, which I already have, and see if the index is less. Like this. All right. So waypoints length. Oh, we need the direction. Current direction. This forward or backwards. promote variable to local variable, which is local current direction. Perfect. Okay. So if smaller than this is not correct because we have to actually do this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 index, 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 index. If we are currently at 3 and at forward, we have to go to 4. But if we are at currently 4 and are forward, it needs to change our forward and say -1. So this must be less than the length, because this is also not looking at the exact one. It looks at -1, and with another -1, it will look one less. So if the length is 5, the last index is 4, but we will look at 3. If, of course, we are facing forward. Because then the next one is +1. Still forward. Whoop. But if it's not, it's linear, it's forward, it's forward. It's not forward. Like this. Now we need the same thing for the other way. No, don't. It's like 0. Come on. Zero. No, it should be 0. This is also wrong. No. No, it's not wrong. No, this is wrong. No, it is wrong. It is not wrong. Damn. Fuck. I'm confusing myself. This is correct. And this is also correct. Now, is this correct? If we are at 1, we want to go to 0, which is correct, and we are not at forward. But if we are at 0, well, we don't know. Okay, then this is fine. For the other one, we need this. Alright. In my head, this works. If it actually works, we will see when I implement this into the actual pathfinding. As always, computer is correct, but I might be wrong. So we will see. Let's clean up a little as always. Okay. We still need to implement this though. which is pretty easy. Just need two of these. Like this. Oh wait, actually no, it's not that simple. At forward, if our current waypoint wait, okay, that's correct. If we are going forward, and if our current index is less than the one before length, which is if it's 4 size, the last one is 3, but we want to be 2. Then plus else we get the 0. And we keep forward. And the other way, if current is greater than 0, which is 1, for instance, then we'll keep going down. But if we reach 0, you want this. Yeah, this looks good. Me? Alright, now I don't have to touch this for a while, I think. Are you guys still alive? I wonder. What are you guys doing if you're still here? How does this guy walk though? This guy needs a nath mesh. Oh man! This is getting so complicated. Ah. Hmm. Damn. Hmm. Should I have next waypoint? Or just save the next location? I do have the cluster. I guess I need a function called walk. Or roam. Roam ground. But it's not roaming if I chase. Huh. What will I call this? It's not roaming. Do ground activities. Or how about ground procedure? And fly is actually flight procedure. Like this. Okay. So ground. Ground path forward direction. I don't know. Like this. Next waypoint. Do I need the current waypoint? If I chase the player, no, if the Orpling chases the player and then gets bored of the player, does it return to the original waypoint? Does it go to the next waypoint? Or does it go to the closest waypoint? I guess the closest one would be the elegant solution. And that it wouldn't be even that hard. I would just have to iterate between all waypoints, get the distance, and then if the distance is short, then save. And then I just need to get its index from the cluster, which I can do by searches array of content and give me the index. Should work. No problemo. But we don't care about that right now. We want this. We don't need current. We never need current. We just need the next. And if we reach its position, then we go to the next position. Now, thing is, do I scan for the z-axis too? Or will I never be above another waypoint? Will my island have anywhere where I can be over a cliff, over a hang, and there's a waypoint below it? I guess not. I should not implement it for now, but if it's relevant, I can easily implement it, I think. Okay. So this guy also needs the nav mesh. And this needs to be initialized. Serialize. This is not good. This is good. Initialize Orbling. It is just at the beginning of both. So I can actually initialize values which are relevant to both. As in, wait, what is it called? What type is that? That's the cluster. Nav mesh bounce volume. Like this. The rest we don't need. I mean, what the hell? We need the cluster in here. Go away. We need it here. Like this. Okay, this is a problem. Success. And if not, it's not successful. filter. Success. Okay. Whew, okay. What's a filter class? Interesting. Oh, this will be complicated. So we want to look from our location. Not to next waypoint, actually. The waypoint, we don't care. We just care about the position. Do we ever give position? We give the waypoint. Well, we could get the position from that. Let's wrap that function. Give next waypoint location. No, position. I always call it position. Oh, my top died. Interesting. So we wrap this. We actually want the same signature. Could you please? And then next waypoint position and success. No, forward. Next forward. Alright, this is this and this is what the fuck? Alright, fuck you, YouTube. Holy shit, man. Swear sometimes. Okay, location. Get actor location, which is vector. Boom, boom, and it's wrapped. Okay, so now we can actually also get the position without having to always ask ourselves. Okay. Now the thing is, not next waypoint, next position or target position. Okay. Can I use the... Oh my god, now it's getting complicated. Can I use these? Do I use this? I use this, right? Do I use this? I don't. This can go away. I guess I could use this. Maybe I should just... do this. And we don't need this. So target position needs to be set by some magical thing. And then we have to do that. But my brain is not working anymore. I will, I think, call it a day today and try to implement more tomorrow. What is this? What's going on here? Why is everything now just crashing and repopping? Interesting. Well, whatever. Well, whoever is still here, thanks for watching. And I will see you guys maybe tomorrow. Maybe, I'm not sure. We'll see. Bye bye.